is a game changer because astronomers have hit the jackpot. This is their dream come true. A new chapter in astronomy has opened up.
NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams. And all these little dots are stars. All these little dots are galaxies, some of which are bigger than our own. Breaking news. We may have just found potential evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth. This is a huge discovery, and we think that it's a huge discovery. And that's the most exciting piece of this telescope, of this remarkable instrument we've put in space. Finding things that we didn't expect, that we can't explain, because that means that we have to revise our understanding of the universe. Well, JWST is so phenomenal that if you spend enough time, you could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful. The James Webb Space Telescope keeps giving us important new insights on the evolution of the universe. This $1 billion telescope has recently achieved an astronomical milestone by capturing the most detailed image of Proxima b, an exoplanet located in the habitable zone of our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. What mystery lies in this distant world? Is it capable of supporting life? Let's have a look into what the James Webb Space Telescope just revealed. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Digital Discoveries. Let's dive into the video. Launched on December 18th, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful and advanced space telescope ever built, a joint project by NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. The James Webb Telescope is designed to explore the universe in infrared wavelengths, providing unprecedented clarity and sensitivity. Equipped with a 6.5-meter primary mirror, the telescope is positioned at the second Lagrange point, allowing it to observe the cosmos with minimal interference from Earth's atmosphere. Because that's where life, as we know it, has the highest chance of emerging, astronomers are especially interested in the habitable zone surrounding stars. Thus, it should come as no surprise that Proxima b, the name we give to our nearest known exoplanet, piques the intense interest of astronomers. Proxima b, discovered in 2016, orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star located just over 4 light-years away from our solar system. What makes Proxima b interesting is its location within the habitable zone, a region where conditions may be suitable for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The exoplanet's potential habitability has spurred interest among astronomers, making it a prime target for the James Webb Space Telescope's observational capabilities. Proxima Centauri b, Earth's cousin, is not just any ordinary rock. This planet is a mystery and a wonder. Could it be another Earth, complete with seas and many kinds of life? There's more, though. Proxima Centauri b is not alone in its journey around the red dwarf star. Proxima Centauri c, a super-Earth, is one of its fellow travelers, and who knows what else this stellar system could be hiding. Maybe another companion that we haven't yet found. But wait, there are still more mysteries to solve. Proxima Centauri b is very similar in size to Earth, with a mass of 1.17 Earth masses. It orbits its star in only 11.2 days, in contrast to our Earth's year-long orbit around our Sun. That means Proxima Centauri b is a lot closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun. But because the star is a red dwarf, much smaller and cooler than our Sun, its orbit is indeed within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. Surprisingly, Proxima Centauri b receives about the same amount of solar energy from its star that Earth does from our Sun. Does this indicate that there is water, possibly even life, on its surface? We find a whole new world of exoplanets when we travel outside of our solar system. Let's continue our discussion on Proxima Centauri b, the star that orbits the red dwarf Proxima Centauri and is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system, the closest star system to our own solar system. It is formed by Rigel Centaurus, also known as Centauri A, Tman, also known as Centauri b, and Proxima Centauri, also known as Centauri c. With an apparent magnitude of -0.27, the two stars Rigel Centaurus and Tman, which are part of the binary known as Alpha Centauri AB, appear as a single star within the Centaurus constellation. They rank third and brightest in our night sky. Let's now focus on Proxima Centauri, sometimes referred to as Alpha Centauri c. The distance between this red dwarf star, also known as an M-type star, and the other two stars is 0.21 light-years, or around 13,000 times that of the Earth to the Sun. It is also the nearest star to us. Proxima Centauri, which means the nearest star to the Centaurus in Latin, was actually discovered in 1915 by none other than Scottish astronomer Robert Thorburn Aon. Even though it's the closest star to us, we are unable to see it with our bare eyes. It has an apparent magnitude of 11.13. Proxima Centauri is still a fascinating star. Red dwarf stars like Proxima Centauri are among the most efficient in terms of energy production. Their internal connection process keeps them glowing for millions of years, even though they don't generate much energy. Proxima Centauri will actually continue to exist as a main sequence star for a further 4 trillion years. Nonetheless, there is still ongoing debate on the habitability of a red dwarf star, such as Proxima Centauri. It is a flare star, which implies that its fluctuations are frequent and unpredictable. And because it is a low-mass star, its habitable zone would be closer than that of the Sun. Although not as habitable as it might seem, estimated to be between 0.023 and 0.054 Australian dollars, it might seem like a promising planet, but don't let its appearance deceive you. Indeed, the distance between it and its star is the same as ours from the Sun, but there's something more to it. Proxima b receives hundreds of times more intense ultraviolet radiation from its Sun than we do from our own. Yes, it is extremely strong, destroying not just nitrogen and oxygen molecules, but even the smallest hydrogen molecules. Furthermore, just because a planet is at the right distance from its star doesn't mean it can support life. It's possible that Proxima b lacks the right atmosphere, which is necessary to maintain a climate essential for regulating temperature and supporting a water-friendly surface. Without it, life would be all but impossible, since living things would be exposed to hazardous space weather. Therefore, despite Proxima b's surface resembling Earth, some scientists believe that it is not capable of supporting life. There are still some people who have hopes of discovering the truth about Proxima b, despite the facts that many elements make it unlivable. One instrument that has captured the attention of astronomers is the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope released a high-resolution image of Proxima b, capturing unprecedented details of the exoplanet's surface features, atmosphere, and overall composition. This achievement was made possible by the telescope's advanced instruments, including the near-infrared camera and the mid-infrared instrument, which can peer through cosmic dust clouds and provide a clearer view of distant celestial bodies. The newly unveiled image of Proxima b holds immense scientific significance. Astronomers can now analyze the planet's atmospheric composition, identify potential biomarkers, and study its climate patterns. The data gathered from this observation will contribute to our understanding of exoplanetary atmospheres and enhance our ability to assess the potential habitability of distant worlds. Although there was some information available to scientists regarding the magnetic field characteristics around nearby stars, they were unaware of the specific surroundings of Proxima Centauri until now. Thanks to a recent study using the James Webb Space Telescope, we now know more about the star's solar wind and the dire situation on Proxima b. According to the study, the planet receives nearly 1,000 times the solar wind radiation that Earth does, which means that strong flares might endanger any possible life. Also, the April 2021 Proxima Centauri flare was 100 times more powerful than any solar flare ever recorded. Without specialized shelter, it's difficult to imagine life enduring such high radiation levels. Although the concept of a livable planet circling Proxima Centauri is intriguing, the actual situation appears to be far from friendly. We have always been fascinated by the idea of coming into contact with extraterrestrial life as humans, and when a strange signal from the Alpha Centauri system was found in late 2020, that excitement reached new heights. Interestingly, this signal has an odd frequency reading of 982.551 by a manufactured piece of equipment. Finding extraterrestrial life on the closest planet to our solar system might not be as unlikely as previously believed. Groundbreaking projects are investigating the potential to reduce travel times from hundreds of years to only a few decades. Current technology may be able to overcome the difficulty of accelerating an object as its mass grows, especially when it gets closer to the speed of light. Even though Alpha Centauri is the nearest star system to Earth, reaching it would take 6,000 years using present-day technology. The Starshot project is exploring the possibility of using lasers to accelerate a spacecraft towards Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system to Earth. The main challenge, though, is the Earth's atmosphere, which distorts lasers and incoming light, making it challenging to apply the force required to move a spacecraft forward. Much more powerful lasers on the ground would be able to keep a close focus on the space mission, thanks to small lasers mounted on satellites that would evaluate atmospheric impacts in real time to send out the vessel.